inside a camera lens and can't get out.
The Big Comfy Couch continues on the web. Watch clips from this program again online. Get tips on what you need to be prepared if you ever get caught in the rain. Learn deeper into the levels of rainfall and its precipitations.
Jelly beans! Lightning!
And as we celebrate 10 years on the air, learn more on when rainfall can become dangerous through thunder and lightning from our 1993 episode, Jumpstart. Plus get our learning companion guide on this and other episodes from Benny Smart. And write a letter to Lynette and friends at the Big Comfy Couch through email or the U.S. mail at America Online, keyword PBS Kids, or PBS Kids Online at pbskids.org. Next time on the Big Comfy Couch, thousands of our children are missing every year in the United States. As PSAs and the public desperately go all out to help find them, the Big Comfy Couch illustrates one of the possibilities as to why.
Miss Dolly!
As Molly wanders to Clown Town and constantly goes missing, can she be found? Or will it end in tragedy?
Molly's lost!
The Big Comfy Couch, with support from the New York Life Foundation, tells the story of being lost and clowned. The Big Comfy Couch's Clowning in the Rain is available on video cassette from PBS Video by calling 1-800-328-PBS1.
Funding provided by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. Major support is provided by the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation, committed to building a more just, verdant, and peaceful world. More information is available at macfound.org. Additional funding is provided by the Park Foundation, dedicated to heightening public awareness of critical issues.